Good morning, class. Wanted to show you guys, especially those of you who haven't maybe used this feature yet on Canvas, how to get into the synchronous learning. And what I mean by that is how to actually log into the Zoom meetings that we're going to have for class. So if you do happen to stay home on a particular day, whether it's because you got flagged in the initial screening process in the morning, or you just are home for any other reason, here's how you're going to log into the synchronous learning. So I think this is the same for many of your other classes in 6th grade, but if you click on the home screen for science, down at the bottom there's a home button. And so you're going to click on that link and it's going to instantly lead you to the Zoom meeting portion of the class. So you can say open Zoom meeting, and I'm not going to click on this right now because it's just going to bring me to my own personal page. But once you click on that, it's going to say join with computer audio, and then you're going to need to click on start video. And once you do that, your screen should pull up and you should be able to see yourself once I let you into whatever the Zoom meeting is for that day. In the meantime, you'll be waiting in the waiting room. So once you've done that, for today's assignment, I want you to take a screenshot of that. And in order to do that, there's a print screen button, 2 keys to the right of your space bar. It says PRTSC. I want you to take a print screen of that, and that's just to show me that you know how to do this. And you're going to go into the bottom left-hand corner of your screen where it says type here to search. Type in Paint, open that program, and then you're going to paste what you just took a picture of, or didn't in my case. Let me try that one more time. So you're going to take a print screen, open your Paint, and just hit paste. Now in this case, I don't have the Zoom open so that you can actually see the video, but on your picture, you should actually see the video of you and your classmates, and that's what I want the print screen to be of you and your classmates. Then you're simply going to go File, Save As, and you're going to save it to your science folder. And so 6th grade science, and we're just going to title this week 5 Zoom practice. Okay, then like any of your other Canvas assignments, you're going to go and find this assignment under current coursework, and where it says week 5 Zoom assignment. And then remember, I always want to pause and stop and read the directions here. It says that you're going to need to make sure you're logged in, make sure your name's visible on the Zoom meeting, so you should be able to see your name visible there, and make sure your video is on, so don't just have the audio on so that I can't see you. And then you're going to submit your assignment up in the button that will be up here for you guys. So let me know if you have any questions, and once you've submitted this, it should show up on my side. Once you've submitted that, you should be good for this assignment. Thanks.